Okay, dear students, today we are going to start a new chapter, chapter 6, that is the triangle and its property. The triangle and its property. And definitely from the previous chapter, we are already known what is the triangle and how to make the triangle, and your previous classes also you have already learnt what is the triangle, but in this class we'll study something more in clear. Okay, so let's start. The first thing, what is the triangle? So it is given that a triangle is a simple closed curve made by three line segments. A triangle is a simple closed curve. Why it is said that it is closed? Why it is said that it is closed? Because look at here three line segment has joined together. Okay, this is the first line segment, this is the second line segment, and this is the third line segment, right? So here three line segment has joined and they make a closed surface. That means there is no gap in between them, right? In between the three line segment there are no gap, all are in the closed surface. Okay, so it is called as the simple closed curve made by three line segment, and it consists of three vertices, three sides, and three angles. Okay, so what are the three vertices? Vertices are, these are called the vertices. This is one vertices, this is the second vertices, and this is the third vertices. Okay, so every triangle consists of three vertices. Then after three sides, what are the side? These are the side. This is one side, this is one side, this is one side. So three sides. Okay, so every triangle have three vertices, three sides, and three angles. Angle means what? These are called the angle. This is called, I'm changing the color here. So this is called the angle. Okay, this is called the angle here. If I will name this angle, suppose let us take this is A, this angle is A, or this vertices is A, and suppose take this vertex is B, and let us take this is C. So here how many sides are here? Three sides are here. One side is AB, the second side is BC, third side is CA or AC. Okay, if we will talk about the vertices, then how many vertices are there? Three vertices, that is A, B, and C. Then if we'll talk about the angle, then how many angles are there? Angle A, angle B, angle C. Okay, so in every types of angle, it does not matter that the angle, the triangle is which type of. Okay, in every types of triangle, there are three things are there. One is vertices, side, and angles. And how many vertices, sides, angle are there? Three vertices are there, three sides are there, and three angles are there in every types of triangle. Okay. Good. Then we'll go to the next types of triangle. Types of triangle. So how many types of triangles are there? Let us see. So based on side and based on angle, the types of triangle is classified into three parts. Okay, that means based on sides, the types of triangle is classified into some parts, into three parts or three types. Okay, and based on angles, the triangles are classified into three types or three categories. Okay, so first of all, based on side, the triangle are classified into three category, and the based on angle, the triangle are classified into another three category. So let us first take the based on side. Okay, so if we will see the based on side, how many triangles are there? The first one is The based on sides, the triangles are classified into three categories. That is, three types of triangles are there based on sides. Okay. The first one is the scalene triangle. Second one is the isosceles triangle, and third one is the equilateral triangle. Okay, the first type of the triangle is scalene, second type is the isosceles, and third type is the equilateral triangle. And what is scalene triangle, what is isosceles triangle, what is equilateral triangle, that's all we will see now. Okay, so then based on angle, the triangles are categorized into three types. One is the acute angle, another in the obtuse angle triangle, then right angle triangle. Okay, so based on angles, the triangles are classified into three categories. One is the acute angle triangle, another is the obtuse angle triangle, and third one is the right angle triangle. And based on sides, also the triangles are divided into three types. That is, it is categorized into three categories. The first one is the scalene triangle, second one is the isosceles triangle, third one is the equilateral triangle. And all the things, what are scalene triangle, what are isosceles triangle, what are equilateral triangle, what are the acute triangle, what are obtuse triangle, what is the right angle triangle. Okay, all about this we will see now one by one. Okay, so let us start the first thing. The first one, that is, what is scalene triangle? Okay, what is scalene triangle? So if we'll talk about the scalene triangle, the first thing what should come to our mind, that is, it is a curved closed surface. I told now in the definition of triangle, what is a triangle? Triangle is a closed surface. Okay, and which is covered by three line segment, right? Triangle is a closed surface which is covered or which is enclosed by three line segment. So here also in scalene triangle also it is closed by three line segment. You can see the diagram also. Okay, so in this figure, if we'll check, three line segments are there. This is one, the first line segment AB, the second line segment is BC, and the third line segment is AC. Okay, and three vertices are there. First vertices is A, second vertices is B, third vertices is C. Okay, and also three angles are there. The first angle is angle A, then the second angle is angle B, and the third angle is angle C. Okay, so in this scalene triangle, first of all, we got the three things to satisfy that it is a triangle. What are the vertex, line segment or side, another one is the angle. Okay, so if these three things consist in one figure, then we can conclude that this is a triangle, right? So in this given figure, these three things are there: vertices is there, angles is there, and sides is there. So definitely we conclude that this is a triangle. Now we'll see how it can be the scalene triangle. How this figure be the scalene triangle. So let us take to the definition of the scalene triangle. The scalene triangle is a one in which all the three sides of a triangle are different in length. Okay, so it is given that one triangle will be a scalene triangle if all the sides of the triangle, all the sides or the length of the triangle are different with each other. Okay, so here how many sides are there? Three sides are there. One side is AB, second one is BC, third one is AC or CA. Okay, so three sides are there. So if it is a scalene triangle, then it is must to be different all the line segment. Okay, that means all the line segment or all the sides of the triangle is to be different if it is a scalene triangle. Okay, so what we conclude here? We conclude here that in every scalene triangle, the sides are different with each other, and by the another process, by the another wording, we can say if in one triangle all the sides are different or all the line segments are different, then we will say this is a scalene triangle. Okay, by changing some words, by changing the wording, we also can say by if in one triangle all the sides are different or all the all the length of line segment or the length of sides are different, then this will be a scalene triangle. Okay, so let us take for example, this side is an 4 centimeter. Okay, this side is 6 centimeter and this side is what, 5 centimeter. Okay, so here let us take this side AB is 4 centimeter and BC is 6 centimeter and AC is 5 centimeter. Okay, so in between these three sides, we can see that all the sides are what, unequal or unequal in length or different with each other. This is 4 centimeter, this is 5 centimeter, this is 6 centimeter. So all the sides are what, different with each other. That is unequal side. All the sides are unequal. Or we can say by the changing of wording, the another definition we can say, if in a triangle, if a triangle consists all unequal sides. Okay, this also this definition also you can say, if one triangle consists all unequal sides, then we can say this is a scalene triangle. This is a scalene triangle. Okay. Okay, so some properties of the scalene triangle is given here. The first property is it has no equal side. That is, all the sides are unequal. Okay, that is the belongs to the definition. What is the definition here? It is only given here. Okay, so the first properties of the scalene triangle is in a scalene triangle all the sides must be unequal. That is, no side will be equal there. Okay, then the next thing is all the three angles are unequal, but the sum of all the angles is 180. So definitely if the sides will be unequal, then definitely the angle also will be unequal. Okay, and but it is more that in a triangle there is a property that sum of all the angles should be 180 degree in a triangle. Okay, if the sum of all the angles are not coming 180, then definitely it is not a triangle. So if it is a triangle, then definitely the sum of all angles will be 180. Okay, so in this triangle, the second property in the scalene triangle, the second property is the angle are also different with each other. As the sides of a scalene triangle is different to each other, is like the same. All the angles are also different with each other. Okay, and the sum of all the angles are 180 degree. As it is a triangle, hence according to the properties of triangle, all the sum of all the angles are 180 degree. Okay, so this is about the scalene triangle. So let's go for the second triangle, second type of triangle, that is what? Isosceles triangle. Okay, so let us start for isosceles triangle. An isosceles triangle is a triangle which contains two equal sides. Okay, an isosceles triangle is a triangle which consists of how many equal sides? Two equal sides. So if in a triangle, if I will change the wording, then I can say in a triangle, in a isosceles triangle, two sides are equal. Okay, if in a triangle, another types I can say, if in a triangle two sides are equal, then you can say these are the what? Isosceles triangle. Okay. So here the definition is an isosceles triangle is a triangle which contains two equal sides. Otherwise you can say if in a triangle two sides are equal, it does not matter which side it would be, but if in a triangle two sides will be equal, then definitely it will be a it will be an isosceles triangle. Okay, or we can say this triangle as isosceles triangle. Okay, done. You can see this figure, these two figure. In the first figure, you can see, okay, in the first figure you can see this is the, wait a minute. Okay, so this is the first figure and this is the second figure, right? So in the first figure you can see this is a triangle ABC. In the first figure you can see here, in this figure AB is equal to AC, right? AB is equal to AC. So here we can say that these two are sides of the triangle which are equal, and BC is the unequal from AB and AC. So as in this triangle two sides are equal, hence we can say that this triangle is isosceles triangle. Okay, and look at the second figure. In the second figure also, PQ is equal to QR. Okay, PQ is equal to QR. Here in the triangle PQR, two sides are same, where PQ is equal to QR. So here also, as in the triangle, two sides are equal, PQ is equal to QR. Hence, you can say that it is an isosceles triangle. Okay, so let us take about the properties of the isosceles triangle. What are the properties of the isosceles triangle? All about that. So the first property is it has two equal sides, right? So by the definition of isosceles triangle, the first property of the isosceles triangle is it has two equal sides. Okay, every isosceles triangle has two equal sides. Otherwise, you can say if one triangle has two equal sides, then definitely that would be a isosceles triangle. Okay, now the second property is it has two equal angles, that is the base angle. Okay, so definitely if two sides will be equal, then definitely the angle to angle will also be equal. But which two angle that would be? Okay, so this is as AB is equal to AC. Okay, AB is equal to AC. Always we have to see that opposite angles of the sides will be equal. Okay, so always one thing we have to consider, if we'll consider about one side, then definitely the opposite angles of side will be considered. Okay, so if we'll take one side, then opposite angle of that side will be considered. So if it is AB is equal to AC, then definitely the opposite angles of the side will also same. So what is the opposite angle of AC? This is the side AC, this is the side AC, and the opposite angle of AC is this. Okay, angle B. And if I will talk about the side AB, then opposite angle of side AB is angle C. So definitely the opposite side of angle AC is angle B, and opposite angle of the side AB is angle C. So as AB is equal to AC, hence angle B is equal to angle C. Okay, so in the second figure also, as PQ is equal to PR, two sides are same, PQ is equal to QR. So opposite angles of the side will also be same. And as PQ, angle R is the opposite angle of side PQ, and angle Q is the opposite angle of side PR. Hence, you can say angle Q is equal to angle R. Okay, so in this triangle, two sides are same and two angle are also same. Okay, done. Then the next property, when the third angle is 90°, it is called right isosceles triangle. Okay, I am drawing the figure of this. Okay, so if whenever the third side is 90°, so I am making a figure here. If it is a line segment, so it is an isosceles triangle, and but here one angle will be 90°. So let us take this side is equal to this side in this figure, in the figure ABC. Okay, suppose this is a triangle ABC. This is A, this is B, this is C. Okay, so in this figure ABC, let us take AB is equal to BC. Okay, and angle B is 90°. Okay, we can make the triangle. We can draw the triangle by this also, right? Just wait a minute. This line is not proper. Okay, now it is perfect. Now it is perfect. Okay. So in this triangle ABC, AB is equal to BC. Okay, what I am drawing the figure here, and angle B is 90 degree. So in this case, we can say this is a right isosceles triangle, right angled isosceles triangle. Okay, so this type of figure you also draw in your notebook. Okay, so in this figure we can say this is a right angle isosceles triangle. Okay, so this is the second property. And what is the third property? The altitude from the apex to the base bisects the angle at the apex. So what is the altitude? I will say later. Okay, what is altitude? What is median? All the things we will talk later. So for now, only these three properties you remember. The first property is in the isosceles triangle, two sides are equal. The second property in the isosceles triangle, as the two sides are equal, the opposite angle are also equal. So in the triangle, two sides and two angles are equal. Okay, then the third property, if one angle will be 90 degree, then the third angle will be 90 degree. Why it is called the third angle? So what I told, if two sides will be equal, then the opposite angle will be equal. Okay, so look at the figure what I have drawn here. In the figure ABC, as AB is equal to BC, what is the opposite angle of AB? So this is angle C, is the opposite angle of AB, right? Here, angle C is the opposite angle of AB. So A angle C and BC, the opposite angle of BC is what? Angle A. Angle A is the opposite angle of BC, and angle C is the opposite angle of AB. So definitely, if AB is equal to BC, then angle A will also same with angle C. Okay, but so that this is in between this A and C, these are the first two angle. Then angle B, the rest angle, that is the third angle. So if this will be a right angle triangle, then it is called that means if right angle means what? It is a 90 degree. Okay, if angle B will be 90 degree, then we can say that this is the right right angle isosceles triangle. Okay. Now what about the last property, the altitude? What is altitude? What is median? What is apex? That I will that all I will say later. Okay, then come to the next one, the next type of triangle, that is the equilateral triangle. Okay, so let us talk about this equilateral triangle. So till now, how many triangles we have seen? The two triangles we have seen. The first one is the isosceles triangle, sorry, scalene triangle. In the scalene triangle, all the sides are unequal. Okay, then we saw the isosceles triangle. In isosceles triangle, all two sides are equal and two angles are equal. In the scalene triangle, all the sides are unequal and all the angles are unequal. But in the isosceles triangle, two sides are equal and two angles are equal. Okay, then if we talk about the equilateral triangle, then what is the equilateral triangle? One triangle is said to be an equilateral triangle if all the sides of triangles are same. Okay, all the sides or all the line segment of the triangle will be same. So in the equilateral triangle, all the sides will be same. Okay, so what I told now, in the equilateral triangle, all the sides are same. So in this figure, the given figure ABC, how many sides are there? Three sides are there: AB, BC, and CA. Okay, three sides are there, and three angles are there: angle A, angle B, and angle C. Three vertices is also there: A, B, C. Okay, so normally A, B, C, these are called the vertices. If we'll talk about the angle, so this will be the angle A, angle B, angle B, and angle C. Okay, this will be the angle. And if we'll talk about the line segment or side, this is the side. A, B is one side or one line segment, B, C the second side or second line segment. then the third line segment or third side is called as CA. Okay, CA. So here in an equilateral triangle, definitely we can see the three sides are equal. So as the three sides are equal, three angles are also be equal, right? So in this equilateral triangle, AB is equal to BC is equal to CA or AC, where three sides are equal. So the first property of the equilateral triangle is all the three sides are equal in an equilateral triangle. Then what is the second property? Second property is the all the angle. So if the sides will be same, all the sides will be same, then definitely the opposite angle will be same. So if three sides will be same, then definitely all the three angle will also be same. Okay, so in an equilateral triangle, it is must remind that all the sides and all the angles are equal with each other. Okay, so one logical thing is here. Okay, what is the logical thing? What I have said according to the according to the properties of the triangle. What is the properties of the triangle? Or sum of three angle of the triangle is 180 degree, right? It does not matter that which type of triangle it is. In all the types of triangle, if we will add all the three angles, then we will get 180 degree. That is, the sum of all the angles are 180 degree. Okay, in every type of triangle, whatever you take, which type of triangle you take, the sum of all the triangle will be 180 degree only, right? So here, suppose here 60 degree is written here, but don't take it 60 degree for now. Okay, let us take how, now I am saying how it came 60 degree. Okay, now we'll find how it is coming 60 degree. Okay, so let us take this angle is x. One angle is what? X. So if all the angles are same, then definitely this angle will also be x, right? And this angle will also be x. Okay, so we got a three angle which are all equal with each other. The each angle are x, x, and x. So by the definition of the triangle or by the properties of the triangle, okay, by the angle sum property, this property is also called the angle sum property, right? So by the angle sum property of triangle, this is x. Okay, by the angle sum property of the triangle, the sum of all the angle of the triangle is 180 degree. So here all the angles are same, x and x and x. So if I add 3x, what will I get? X plus x plus x is equal to 180 degree. Is equal to 180 degree by according to the angle sum property of the triangle. Okay. 180 degree. So x plus x means 3x, right? So we got here 3x is equal to 180 degree. Okay, so x plus x is equal to 180 degree. So 3x is equal to 180 degree. Okay, then x is equal to, what is x? If 3x is equal to 180, then x is equal to 180 by 3. Okay, 180 by 3, that is 60 degree. By 3 means 180 is divided by 3. Okay, so it is 60 degree. So here all the angles become 60 degree. Okay. So here we got that if in a triangle all the sides will be same, that is all the line segment are same, then it is called the equilateral triangle. And if all the sides are same, then definitely all the angles are same. So we can say that if in a triangle all the sides or all the length and all the angles will be same, then we can say that this is an equilateral triangle. Okay, in the word also we can recognize that equilateral means equal. Okay, if all the sides, all the line segment will be equal, all the line segment and all the angles, all the sides and all the angles will be equal, then you can say that this is an equilateral triangle. Okay, so since sum of then the third property is, since the sum of all triangular angle is 180 degrees, then every angle of equilateral triangle is 60 degrees. Okay. So since sum of all the interior angle is 180 degree, so each angle of equilateral triangle will be 60 degrees. So definitely it is a regular polygon is three sides. Every triangle is a regular polygon of three sides. Okay, every triangle is a polygon of three sides. Okay. So for today it is enough. Okay, and so now we discussed the types of three types of triangle based on the sides. Okay, now discuss the three types of triangle. The first triangle is scalene triangle, where all the three sides are unequal. Second triangle is isosceles triangle, where two sides and two angles are equal. And the third triangle is equilateral triangle, where all the sides and all the angles are equal. Okay, so now we discussed the three types of triangle based on sides. Okay, then in the next video we'll see the three types of triangle based on angle. Okay, now discuss the three types of triangle, or three category of triangle based on side. Okay, in the next we'll see the three types of triangle based on angle. Okay, so for this it is thank you.